Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, a truly detailed tutorial in 3 minutes is impossible, but let's try a super condensed guide to password managers and some of my top picks for 2025, focusing on what you need to know fast. I'll sneak in code snippets where relevant to demonstrate key concepts like password generation and encryption. The Password Manager Primer, in 30 seconds. Password managers are essential for online security. They store passwords securely. Uses strong encryption, usually AES-256, to protect your login credentials. Generates strong passwords. Creates complex, unique passwords for each site/service. Never reuse passwords. Autofill credentials. Automatically enters your username and password on websites. Sync across devices. Keeps your passwords consistent on your computer, phone, and tablet. Help you identify weak/reused passwords. Audits your existing passwords and flags vulnerabilities. Reduce phishing susceptibility. By pre-filling login forms on legitimate sites and avoiding filling on fake ones. Key features to consider, in 30 seconds. Security. Encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, open source auditability, highly desirable. Ease of use. Intuitive interface, browser extensions, mobile apps. Platform compatibility. Works on all your devices, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, Linux. Pricing. Free tier versus paid subscription. Paid often includes extra features like file storage, advanced 2FA. Customer support. Responsiveness and helpfulness of customer service. Password sharing. Secure ability to share passwords with family, or colleagues. Data breach monitoring. Automatically notify you if any of your saved accounts have been compromised in a data breach. My top password manager picks for 2025, in 60 seconds. 1Password. Premium, but excellent, known for its security, user-friendly interface, and robust feature set. Ideal for families and teams. Bitward and open source and free/paid, a strong contender that balances security, functionality, and affordability. The open source nature is a major plus for transparency. LastPass. Free/paid, a popular option with a free tier and good browser integration. Consider carefully the security history of LastPass, especially data breaches, before entrusting it with all your passwords. NordPass. Paid, from the makers of NordVPN, NordPass offers a clean interface and strong security. It's a relative newcomer but has quickly gained traction. Keeper. Paid, a highly secure option with a strong focus on business users. Offers advanced features like compliance reporting. Lane. Paid, is a password manager and digital wallet. It can securely store your passwords, payment information, and other personal data, and automatically fill them in when you need them. Illustrative code snippets, in 60 seconds, these are simplified examples. Password generation, Python. Encryption, simplified, not for production. This uses Fernet, a symmetric encryption method. Password managers use asymmetric encryption, public/private key pairs, for better security. This is just to show the general concept. Hashing. Password managers use hashing and salting to store your master password. Important considerations for 2025 and beyond, in 30 seconds. Passkeys. Passwordless authentication is gaining traction. Expect password managers to deeply integrate passkey support. AI-powered security. Password managers will likely use AI to detect phishing attempts and improve password generation. Increased focus on privacy. Look for password managers with strong privacy policies and end-to-end encryption. Compliance. Password managers with better compliance records will improve your organizational posture. Final words. Do your research. Read reviews, compare features, and choose a password manager that fits your needs and threat model. Enable 2FA. Add an extra layer of security to your password manager account. Use a strong master password. This is the key to everything. Make it long, complex, and unique. Regularly update your password manager. Keep your software up to date with the latest security patches. Back up your data. If your password manager offers backup options, use them. This 3-minute crash course gives you a starting point. Good luck securing your online life. Remember to spend more time researching before committing to a solution.